Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos.
What are we making today?
We're making stained glass rocks.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah, like it.
I love it.
So before we begin, we're going to start with one of our breaths. So when we think of a rock, we think of something that's strong, right? So we're going to do a power breath that will help us feel strong. Okay, so we're going to breathe in and raise our arms up and say, I am strong, and then go, huh.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so here we go. Okay, breathe in. I am strong. Okay, let's do it one more time to really feel strong.
Yep.
I am strong. Okay.
Thank you, Peggy.
Yeah.
I feel stronger now.
That's what it's for. All right. What supplies do we need for our craft today?
Rocks, tissue paper, paintbrush, glue, and water.
Okay, so the first step is you want to tear your tissue paper into small pieces.
Okay.
So they don't have to be alike, of course, just tear. And this is something that even little kids can do.
Yeah.
So it's good.
Okay. Great. And I already did some ahead too.
Right, me too. And then you want to make your paste that you're going to use on the rock. So it's just a mixture of glue, like Elmer's glue, and water. And you can just do like half and half, you know, okay. no special measuring, and then just mix it all together.
Okay.
And if you happen to have Mod Podge at your house, you can also use Mod Podge.
Oh, all right.
This is like a homemade Mod Podge.
Okay.
All right. And then you're going to take a brush and I'm going to just do one side at a time. You're going to paint the mixture on top of the rock.
All right.
And then you take your pieces of tissue paper and just start putting them on the rock, and you can overlap them.
Oh, okay.
So it's very easy.
And Peggy, I have a question. If I wanted to make this so that it could go outside, would I have to do anything special?
Yes. After it's all dry, you would want to spray it with a sealant, and you can get it at like Michael's or any craft store, just a sealant that makes things waterproof or outside.
Because I thought it would be fun to make some of these and put them in my garden.
Exactly right. And the one that I made, it happens to stand up, so I'm going to use it as a paperweight.
Oh, nice. So here's what's mine is looking. I'm just overlapping them like that.
Right. Yeah. This is mine coming along.
Oh, pretty. I like your colors. I have a
if you wanted to just use two colors, you could also do that.
Yeah. And I was also thinking when it dried, if it was going to stay inside, you know, anything goes. You could put stickers on it or bling or glitter or really anything. Right.
Exactly. Yep. It kind of reminds me when it kind of looks like tie-dye.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's really pretty. Here's mine so far. I think when it dries, it'll be not quite as dark.
Right.
And if you joke, Peggy.
No way. Did you find a rock joke?
I might have. So, what does a baby rock want to be when it grows up?
I think I might have an idea, but I'll let you tell me.
Well, it's something that I still want to be sometime.
So, can I take a guess?
Yes, now you can.
A rock star.
Yes. Good.
That's a good one. I like it.
Thank you.
So when you're finished one side of the rock, you can turn it over and paint the glue on the other side and put on more tissue paper. The other thing I thought when I was doing this is that if you wanted to put white paint on it first and then let that dry, then the colors might come out brighter.
Right.
Just a thought.
I think when I do my other one, I think I might try that, painting it first.
Right.
But either way, it just looks so good.
Yeah. And then when this is kind of fun.
It's really fun.
So on my other side, I don't know if I can see it, I'm just doing all little pieces.
Oh, that's nice. And I love how bright yours is, the color tissue paper that
pink is bright, right?
Yeah. Nice.
And then after you have your rock covered, you want to go over the whole thing one more time with the glue mixture.
Oh, okay. I think that I made mine a little bit thin, but it still looks fantastic and it's still working. So
I was going to say it will still work.
Yes, it looks great. So I'm going to probably finish more of it later, but here it is.
I like it. No, these are really nice. And you can use them for, yeah, like you said, outside in the garden. You can use them inside for decoration, paperweights.
Yeah, I love it. Thanks for showing me and everybody.
You're welcome.
And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Have fun.
Bye.
Bye.